up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be installing my Stillen Gen 3 cold air intake on the 370Z. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So the things that you're going to need, obviously it comes with instructions, obviously, but this is not the first time this has gone on the car. This is actually the second time. So if you see all the scratches, one of the things I'm not going to show you guys, because I already did it and I can't undo it to show you guys, is that you have to cut out a hole. And the hole has to be big enough to fit in this tube through the side of the radiator side. So like I said, I had to cut a hole right here in this area behind this cover to be able to fit in the piping to go through, because it does come out all through here and then up. So I'm not going to show you that because I obviously can't. I'll try to show you what it looks like when I did it, but right now we're going to take off the brace bar, and then after that I can take off the bumper, take off the cover, and then we can start taking off the intakes. Alright, so right here in the back, I already broke those ones loose. Right here in the back there are two clips that you gotta take off. One of them was already broken, so the other one was loose already. So this part will just pop off. Just like that. It's just the clips right here. But once you get one side up, the other one will pop off. Now we take out the brace bar. Some of them are broken. Some of these are new because I got these from Nissan when I took it in. So some of these are new. Yeah, and there's no liner on the bottom, so it's just gonna pop off. This 10 first, because this one's not gonna get reused when you put on the new intakes. Take it off right there. Yep, there's an 8. And this is the main clamp to the throttle body. Get that loose in there. Yep, that's ready to come out. Now I can pretty much just wiggle that off. We're gonna do next, take off that metal clamp that's on here. Just like that. Let's see if I can crack that. Oh, but it's tearing. It's not cracked, but it's tearing a little. After that, lift up, and it's up. Next thing we're going to do is work on putting the piping together. So it goes on here. Next thing you're going to do, get your clamp, put it on the bottom one, and get the next thing we could do is put the Stillen coupling right here. Put it on there, very, very top. And then same thing with these clamps. I have mine facing up. And we could put this one on. So these come on a longer piece. I used a cutter and I just cut it in half. So it goes like that. I put the clamp on. Just like that. Change this back to a quarter. Tighten it down. And then that can go back in there. And then now I can put this one back on. Next thing we're going to do is get the second piping. It's going to go from here, go through the go through this hole right here. Just right there. And so this is where it comes into play, where this isn't the part I'm going to show you, because I can't show you. If you see right here, this little kind of cutout right there, you have to cut out this plastic piece to be able to run that piping in there. All right, so I was able to get it in. I did have to wiggle it around a little bit. Actually, it's been a while since I had this on, so like I said, it just goes through here all the way up. And then when we put the air filter on, I'll show you guys how you have to move things around. I did take this off because no reason why. There is a reason why. I'll show you guys when we get to it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the other side. I'll just go ahead and fast forward through all that because you guys already saw me do the other side. So let's go ahead and speed that up right now. So right now I just got the map sensor back into this side, and I'm going to use the same screws that the OEM one has. You're going to use the same screws to bolt it back down. Alright, next thing we're going to do is put on the air filters right here. I'll just double check everything that's bolted down. And then put the brace bar back on. And then take it out for a drive. All in due time. Alright, so I already torqued everything down. Everything's good to go. Just a reminder though, when you do cut out the hole for right here, don't go too low because you're going to hit the AC line when this gets put on, because this will drag down onto the AC line. So unfortunately I already cut it out a long time ago, and that's why my AC went out apparently. But today I just put some tape over the AC line, just in case this does drop more. It shouldn't, because I also zip tied it right here just to push it up, so it's not going nowhere. So that's the only issue you'll have when you cut out that hole. So just be wary of that when you do make that first cut into there. You don't want to go too low to where you're too close to the AC line. Before I put the bumper back on, I'm going to put the car on. See how it sounds.